Hi everyone, I just want to give you a quick overview on the coin toss probability assignment. So make sure that you're completing the lessons on learning.com first because that'll give you some information on how to make charts. But so you should be going to this website and you'll virtually flip a coin a few times, and then you're going to take the data that you fill in this table and you're going to put it on Google Sheets. So I'm going to use different data for mine, but yours should look similar to this. So this is my data for what I've been doing during quarantine each day. Day 1, I worked for school for 5 hours, watched Netflix for 3. Day 2, I worked for 4 hours, watched Netflix for 4. And on day 30, I'm working for school about an hour and watching 7 hours of Netflix. So I'm going to show you how I would make a chart for this, and you can do pretty much the same thing for your data. So I'm not going to highlight the day 1. I'm just going to highlight these 4 right here, and I'm going to go over here to the chart button, so insert chart. And then I don't want a column chart though, because it says that I want a pie chart. So I need to go up here and scroll down to pie chart. And you'll notice that it's just a big blue circle. It doesn't have the data I need. So if I go down here to switch rows and columns, that's going to fix it. So you can see that day 1, I worked for 62.5% of the day, and then I watched Netflix for 37.5%. Okay. So I'm going to make that smaller. And then if you ever need to come back to this and edit it, you can click on your chart, click the 3 little dots and say edit. Let me give this a title. So if I scroll down, or if I go to customize, chart and axis titles, for title chart, I'm going to call it day 1. And then I'm going to do the same thing for day 2. I highlight these 4 boxes, press chart. I want to make it a pie chart again. Okay, and same problem. So I want to switch rows and columns. I want to uncheck this use column E as headers. There we go. And then for my title, I'm going to go to customize, title, and I want to call this, I want to call it day 2. Right. And then let me drag the corner to make it smaller again. All right, and then do the same thing for day 3. Remember, you're not highlighting the day above. So make a chart. It's already a pie chart, but I need to switch the rows and columns. There we go. And then let me change the title again to day 30. Okay, so now I have my 3 charts, and then this is useful because like if Miss Jones is looking at this, she'd be able to see like, oh, if blue is me working for school, I was pretty productive day 1, day 2 better, but by day 30, I'm not really spending much of my day doing work. If you have any more questions about this, let me know. You can answer any questions.